Boy, it's a vibing man. And I'm back again with another video, with another banger, as you know. So today's video we are shooting Hustling Boyfriends Angton part 2. So today I'm going to look for job Angton. I know any shop Angton, maybe I can be the manager or what Angton. So subscribe and like and comment Angton. Comment indawo yakho sizofuna umsebenzi kuyo. Danko.
Me, I'm doing good, doing well, doing better. I got my shit together. I took it to a whole nother level. Now they wanna stay under my umbrella. I was gonna let my success be the weapon. Now I think it's time to fight the venom with the venom. Yeah, I'm better. She said it when I met her.
Say hi to the vlog.
What up, man? We passed.
Wena.
Funa nama Instagram. Instagram. Nama Instagram. Yeah. Follow TIS Vibe and Bull. Yeah. Subscribe, share and comment. Yeah.
Okay, so guys, ngifuna umsebenzi. And what? For ukuthola umsebenzi lapha nelapha kule shop le lapha my friend. Ngicabanga ngamaphesenti engakanani ukuthola umsebenzi.
Umsebenzi my friend. Waphasela. Thini out?
Ngifuna ukupaka. Ngibe manager. Yazi ngani?
Antano ngawo ngikusesa ntwana.
Ngiseta ne?
Ngaba plan.
Hayi ngangiseta.
Chika my friend.
Yabo?
Yeah,
umsebenzi.
ngithola nama connections fa.
Ngizika amafeta ngisho. Izinto zibuye bakery.
Manje ngithatha. Ngacela. Yabo manje sine support la erandini lami ngithatha mara manje ngifuna umsebenzi mina angidla amafeta yabo. Ngifuna umsebenzi. After that yeah man. So bona maybe ngithenga imoto. Ngithenga imoto. Thola la machine my friend. Nizini. And ngizoyipromote le store if bazongigamisa. Danko.
Manje uhayi.
Yeah, sifuna umsebenzi like yabo. Maybe Mamboba, maybe in the next like 3 years, I'm gonna manage. Yabo, like you manage because I'm good when it comes to counting, man. I can more. Yeah, my friend. Or take something about Ben, I can even show you my skills. Whoa. I want my skills on.
Amfethu sifuna umsebenzi. Mawudini ngalena. Sifuna umsebenzi.
Seventh.
Sinasebenza.
Seventh.
Asebenza uthika.
Yo, so guys, we found a job.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. So yeah, man.
I'm going to last.
So how much, my friend? How much payment? 2,000.
Wakuneza washo 2,000. Naivuma nina le.
2,000 payment. Sell to my friends lang.
Naivuma nina le. Bafethu mayisebenza esitolo sisogoropa mai. Yeah, hustling boyfriend. Oh yeah, bafethu sisomopa mai, sisomopa. Sithola umsebenzi esitolo. Hustling boyfriend siyazama ngokwethu. Mama siyazama nathi. So like yeah bafethu nisupportini yabona siyazama nathi siyahasela sima-hustle boyfriend yabo
Everything is good.
nabona msinani siyahasela sipaka kahle
Everything is good.
so ndoda sifuni so bafethu ya bafethu manje siyahasela bafethu so yeah
You see?
yabona
Sipake kahle.
sipaka makhofu usoso upaka manga mgombeni soso upaka manga soso
We replaced you, my friend.
bafethu usoso upaka manga usoso nangu mveze soso usoso phela usosi uklam chip yeah sauce wena wenzi kusubalekile futhi TS ubalekile usauce hawo ndoda basize TS sima-hustling boyfriend ingawari ne
One run punch, my friend, this one.
yeah
Oh, 150.
now nasi special sama-Goslow
Not special sama Goslow. 6 rama. Yabo sisebenza la yabo.
sima-hustling boyfriend guys man so bayi-manager la nanisoni zami lungisa bheka hleli njani shabalala sithe sifuna ukukoropa
You want to mop?
hawu
Magate, litanda lifakele pangapha. Sithulele pika. Izone.
yo
Hayi yabona. Yaphetha.
hlezi
Libeki la ntwana ihlezi scrum yabo libeki la uzolithatha someone
so guys sesihaselile mela sizame ngoyokuthusela nyana amamitha ngemama sos
Suspect, uyasidlula.
angeke usule sos thina sebasinikile umrholo wethu wena uzokhona sinikile umrholo wethu yena kayokhona sos esos
Find this job, my friend.
ogama lakho ubani ubani umuteru wale Jono
Junior. And this one is Junior. Same name.
waona mama guys
Same name.
Junior umuteru we uteru
This one is Junior.
uteru sauce uteru na sauce hey uJulius awusujunior wena
Akuma.
uyabo uJulius
Ifuna my cabbage ku.
bafika uyabona ukuthi uJulius asebenzisa
You can't mix a fruit and veg in the same place.
How?
You need to have a veg here, have a fruit here. Yeah, man.
okay bafethu bafethu manaishi
Yeah, sisa chayisi.
sachayisa vele maye
Sachayisa.
umholo wethu esiwothengela abazali bethu sinkwa
Take a mod.
ten iluna
Koloi.
sibathengela amakhokhu
Yeah, here's for you.
abishapa
Malume uthenga imoto.
Umalume baba uthenga ikoloyi baba brand new baba from the box. Mama wakho uthenga ikoloyi etsha. Nasi baba, yebo. Ngitshelile benze baba mchini baba.
Ngiyafaka yona.
Kuzosiza wena. Yeah. Manje funa sipusha today. Bese sebangena stofile. Itara ligcwele baba full tank yabona.
Yayibona
Itara full tank. Nala itara full tank. Yabona. Lights for the exhaust. For the engine.
Mina funa sivale ngiyosikhamisa ngeroute lo.
Yeah, it's via stop sign. Yabo.
Ke bafethu ya. Jikise ntwana.
Ya sesahamba manje. So manje
bafethu ya.
sebenzile.
Mela sipatala uShabalala.
Shabalala deposit.
Shabalala.
Deposit for a day.
Where's the man?
Amanda spanile mfethu.
Spanile my friend. We hustling my friend. Sahasela.
Lamagugu bekawa lana wena wayenza. Ngobalekile. Sikubizile sathi wozo uzosebenza waphuma wabaleka. Sothola umuntu ne. Sothola umuntu.
Yeah, hey, job, biggie job. Job, yeah.
Wena uthule ase. Akuthule ase.
So you find a job?